All right, let's get started right away with the details on your first alert weather day, really starting at midnight tonight as the snow is expected to expand and intensify during the overnight hours. Let's look at that storm timeline as we head through the overnight between 3 and 6 in the morning. Our western counties get started first. And as we get to that 3 to 6 time frame, some of you will get bands of heavy to moderate snowfall. 6 to 9 o'clock, moving right through the valley and into western Minnesota. Then after 9 and through noon, it starts exiting slowly through northern Minnesota. Here's what it looks like visually on the future radar. We see the bands of moderate to heavy snow after 3 o'clock working their way along and north of Interstate 94 out to the east. And by midday, the heaviest snow out of our viewing area and shifting east. Snowfall. This has changed a little bit. There is a little southerly bend to this, and I looked at some upper air temperatures tonight from our weather balloon launches, and well, it's a little colder than expected farther south, which means we could make more snowflakes here in the south than earlier anticipated. Because of that, I think 1 to 2 along Interstate 94 certainly possible. Still a band of enhanced snowfall right along that Highway 200 corridor the way it looks. 1 to 4 for many all the way up to the Highway 2 corridor, and narrow band of 4 to 6. A possibility for sure. Now, a look at your current conditions at Hector International as we see a helicopter across the skyline now as we view from our Skycam off to the west. 30 degrees at Hector, wind 6 miles per hour. It's quiet out there. Here's the freezing line in white. We have 29 in Devil's Lake, a pair of 25s for Cavalier and for Langdon. 23 the cold spot up in Badette as we head through the evening hours. The clouds are on the increase. Notice the moisture spreading from northwest to southeast. It's snowing in northeast Montana and has been all evening long. And now we're starting to see some of that snowfall punch its way into Stutsman County and the Ellendale and Lemoore County area, Lemoore County. Now, as we go through 3 o'clock, that's when things intensify, moving along, and first thing in the morning will be the heaviest snow here in the central Red River Valley. I think the heaviest band stays just south of Grand Forks and just north of Fargo. But if you're in northern Cass, look out. You could have a little more shovel trouble on the way. Now, I don't think anybody gets a dose that's going to be snowblower worthy, but we could see some of you with isolated 6-inch totals. Heading through the afternoon, the snow exits pretty quickly, and we'll have a brief period of gusty north winds over 25 miles per hour. After that, rapid clearing for Saturday afternoon. One more look at that snowfall. I-94 to Highway 2. 1 to 4 inches in this area and an enhanced band right near that Highway 200 corridor. 4 to 6 inches for some of you. The heaviest snowfall in and around the Fargo area and the Central Valley will be in those early morning hours. The snowfall decreases a bit as we go through noon, and in the afternoon it clears and looks like a cold and quiet night with decreasing winds for your evening. Here's a look at your hometown snapshot. This is at 4 o'clock, so we'll be seeing clearer skies in our western counties. Still some exiting clouds, but most of us should be done with the snow by that time. A little bit of snow this morning in Lakes Country, Maplewood State Park on the lake there. Jeff capturing this. Thanks, Jeff, for uploading your photo. On Sunday, dry. A chilly start in the low 20s in Fargo, 40 your temperature in the afternoon. We stay cool all week next week. And yes, we could have passing showers. Coming in the morning hours here, we're going to get some snowflakes mixing in. So periods of snow all week long, kind of a cool introduction to the season ahead of us, Mike. Be cautious tomorrow and make sure you check in with Valley News Live, and the Valley News Live weather app will keep you updated throughout the entire day.
And take it easy on the roads.
Please.
All right, thanks.